Then, so your instruction to ICAD in interagency is not to give the Vice President a classified information.
Need to know lang siya. You know, it is the need to know to complete her. If she asks something, then you give her half of it. The other half, if it's a classified information, there is no need for her to know.
All right. And why keep her if you don't trust her?
Wala ako. I am not keeping her. She is there. I appointed her. She's working. As a matter of fact, she's been issuing statements every day. Sinabi ko lang, I am just saying the parameters. But she is there. I do not have to fire her. She is there. She is working. Ano, in the first place, actually, what she should have done, and should understand that, is to give the direction